Motorcades and Coffee.
Hey, good morning guys, it's Andy from Motorcades and Coffee. Today I got something a little different. I got a reverse pinball pickup, meaning I'm dropping off a pinball game. It's pretty cold out, it's probably 40 some degrees out, and I am going to drop one of my pinballs off to a customer's place. So I'm gonna go do that, and we'll get some video of that and also get some gameplay of the pinball. So I've been accused of actually not showing enough gameplay. So let's get that gameplay going, and I'll show you what game I'm gonna drop off. There's a game I'm going to drop off. It's the Atari Airborne Avenger, put together by my friend Justin. He is a pinball god. This is in really nice shape. All new rubbers, all new connections. Play feels really good. It's a fun pinball. We'll turn it on and get some gameplay. It's a little cold, so hopefully that doesn't affect the gameplay. Let's turn it on. Let's see. Let me show you. There's it lit up. Very nice. I just went through all the test screens. All the lights are working. Only thing that's not is the ball and credit. Everything else is. This one, when it's cold, sometimes it's a little flaky. So when it's warm, you can see it gets a little bit flaky. But when it's warm, it works pretty good. All right, I got the credit up. Just put 4 credits there so you can see. I'm not a good pinball player. Oh, nice. Get in there. Nice. All right. There's the scores. Playing one-handed, forgive me here. There's one of the skill shots. Love the bleeps and squeaks on this one. All the gates work, but I'm not winning on the gates. All right, on the way. And there's the side of the Airborne Avenger from Atari. Both sides are about equal. It's a pretty pin. Wide. All right, now let's put a little something on the bumper. That way. There we go. Slide you in. Put a bump in there. And time for the back glass. There we go. Perfect. What I'm gonna do, I'll just put the glass on top and put something right here. Can't forget the legs. Put them on the side. Bolts are in there too. And the back glass. Right there. Perfect. All right, and that's not going anywhere. Let's shut it. See how we're looking. Okay, got the game loaded in the SUV, and now we're gonna head on our way. Let's go. Well, I'm on the road. Got the pinball in the back. Heading there. We're gonna pick up a little coffee first. Well, we're about going where I'm going. I'm going to Coinop Warehouse or Hub City Vinyl. That's where this game is dropping off. We're almost there. So we're in part of downtown Hagerstown, Maryland, and Hub City Vinyl's that way. We're not quite there yet, but you can see the small little buildings and shops. It's kind of very indicative of Hagerstown. Some really cool old buildings. So coming up on Hub City Vinyl, take a look. It's green, white, and pastel. Some really cool colors. And we'll take a look-see. And there it is. All right, dropping off. So we're gonna head on in and see if they're around. Cool. There it is. Oh, boop, boop, boop. We'll head on in. There's Hub City Vinyl. Oh, look at that, a Led Zeppelin pin. Very cool. Nice. And we'll head on into the side to let them know I'm here. Doop-de-doo. You've got Atari Airborne Avengers. He's already paid, so cool. Good. In fact, I brought my drone today. I told him I was flying around to take some video of Hub City. Is that cool? Use those there. Yeah. Time to get some drone flying. We'll get around the building and see what it looks like here. So let's go do that. So I got a little bit of drone footage around. My drone wasn't flying exactly as it should have. One of the controls wasn't working. I'm not sure why. I got some decent footage. Hopefully it comes through okay. Yeah, so dropped the game off. Not a big deal. Hub City Vinyl, Coinop Warehouse, really good people. Check them out. I'll put a link in the description. And pretty simple drop and go. Got to play Atari Airborne Avengers. let me know what you guys think. Drop a link actually in the comments, and we'll get some more videos up here. I got to come back up here next week. So please like and subscribe, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We'll catch you on the next one.